Whether you're grilling a dreamy dinner or making a yummy snack, the Sage Smart Grill will be sure to make it a simple and tasty occasion. The integrated temperature probe ensures that the food you're grilling is cooked to a precise temperature. Not only is it useful for making sure food is hot all the way through, it's ideal for cooking your steak to perfection. Adjustable height controls are useful when cooking more delicate foods. You can reduce the weight, which stops the food being pressed too much. This means that you can make mouth-watering toasted sandwiches without the fillings falling out. Non-stick plates stop your food from clinging to the hot plate, making cooking easy and the finished results looking restaurant quality. The plates are removable, making them easy to clean, so your food will taste even more delicious, knowing that the washing up will be minimal. Bring the barbecue season into your home all year round and recreate your favourite meals with the Sage Smart Grill.